Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Lexus RX 350 key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any small parts. Having the correct battery, a 3-volt CR 2032, is crucial for proper function. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side and pulling out the physical emergency key. This reveals a small notch or slot on the key fob's edge. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you can separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive, plus side facing upwards, just like the old one was. Ensure it sits snugly in place. To finish, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the physical emergency key back into its slot until it locks into position. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.